If you've ever wished you could wipe your QuickBooks Online account clean and start completely fresh, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm breaking down the full guide on how to purge and reset your QuickBooks Online company. It's fast, it's simple, but it's also irreversible. So make sure you watch till the end so you don't make a mistake you'll regret. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online login page. Sign in using your email and password. If you ever deal with login issues, using a password manager can make this part effortless and save you a lot of frustration. Once you're inside your QBO dashboard, this is where the important step comes in. You can't purge your company from the normal menus. Instead, you need to use a special URL. Go to your browser's address bar and type qb.in.com/app/purge company. Make sure the URL ends exactly with purge company. If there are any extra characters added automatically, maybe a question mark or a number, delete them. The URL must be clean for the purge tool to load properly. After pressing enter, you'll be taken to the purge page. This page will clearly warn you. Once you purge your company, all financial data, transactions, and customizations will be permanently deleted. There's no undo, no backup restore, nothing. So only continue if you truly want a blank slate. If you're ready, look at the bottom right corner of the page. You'll see a text box asking you to confirm the purge. Type the word yes. Then click OK to start the process. QuickBooks will now begin clearing your account. Depending on how much data you have, this might take a few seconds or maybe a minute. Once it's finished, your QuickBooks company will be completely reset to its default state, just like brand new. You can now set everything up again and begin entering new transactions without any old clutter holding you back. And that's the full guide on how to safely purge your QuickBooks Online account. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more short and powerful tutorials, and drop a comment if you want guides on other QuickBooks features. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your fresh start in QBO.